There is a graph plotting either the ORS or SRS against any prior scores. There is a table with the individual values of each measure as well as the plotted average score. Finally, if you choose to provide feedback when creating the client account, there is a feedback message to the client about their current score and how that score relates to the performance. Returning to the provider homepage, you can see the far right of the client's ID, a color-coded icon reflecting the client's most recent ORS score. Green means improving as expected, yellow and red represent less than expected. The information is immediately available to the therapist upon the client completing the survey. Clicking the icon takes the provider to the client's console and ETR graph. Some private practices take on a supervisory role for student practicums and internships. My Outcomes has additional features that will aid you in student education. As a supervisor, you have access to all the information and options available to providers. You also have the ability to create multiple provider accounts for those under your supervision. At the top of the screen, there are several tabs with useful information. To the right is a tab labeled Dashboard. The dashboard provides information about key performance indicators that will help you in your role as supervisor. It also provides case alerts. All the supervisor needs to do is set the parameters for the scope of the information, and My Outcomes will generate reports.